Welcome to my trading room. This is Bitcoin Day Trading, the best Elliott wave analysis, episode number 62. Today I'm going to talk about Bitcoin. I'll try to be brief, which means I'll try to make this intervention under 15 minutes. So let's start right away. First, I have to show you my disclaimer, so that you are aware that there are risks involved in trading. Here's my disclaimer. And below it, my risk warning. The link is in the description. And I want to advertise for my service. So I offer live Elliott wave updates. They will cost you 20 USD a month. You'd get 1 to 3 updates on BTC a day, and you get 1 update on US stocks and 1 update on on gold. I mostly so you have the last Elliott wave count on those 3 markets. I mostly talk about Elliott wave, but sometimes I also talk about Ichimoku, which is on top. The means of payment are either crypto, then it's cheaper, or PayPal, a little more expensive. I also offer one-on-one coaching, and I have a limited time offer for my private clients only, who get a discount for my fees if they are private clients, which means that they are a member of my live Elliott wave update channel, private channel. If you're interested, you have to join the free Telegram group. It is free, and you just let me know, and I will provide you the instruction on how to become a member. The link is also in the description. Now, that being said, please like and comment so that other people can find this intervention. If they do, then there is demand, and I will keep posting free stuff for you. And I always appreciate comments, especially when they are kind. And now let's dive into the charts. So I'll start with the Ichimoku chart. This is Bitcoin. And here we have the 30-minute chart. And on the 30-minute chart right now, we are neutral since we are in the cloud, even though we just walk out of it as I speak. But for me to take a long position, I need several things. I need a price to move above the cloud, break out of the cloud. I need a future Kumo to be green, which is the case. I need Chico to be clear of price, and right now Chico is not clear of price since it is in price concession. So that's not the case. And I need the Tenkan to be above the Kichuin and price to be above both of them. So right now it's impossible. But if price manages to go somewhere here, then maybe all those, then there will be a moment in time when all those 4 points will be validated, and then I could take a long position on the 30-minute chart. If I want, now the question is, do I use the 30-minute chart? Maybe not. If I want to be very aggressive, I use the 30-minute chart. But I've had bad experience with the 50-minute chart. So the 50-minute chart is too soon. The 30-minute chart, you can take it when you are quite confident of your outlook, and that's according to Elliott wave. If you are less confident and you want more confirmation before you enter the price, then you take the 1-hour chart. And if you want even more, you take the 2-hour chart. And if you want more, you take the 3-hour chart. I like most on cryptos normally the 3-hour chart. But if I'm more confident and I want a quicker entry, then I would go down to those other time frames. But I find that the 3-hour chart is not bad because it prevents you from entering too much losing positions. So you can take it down to the 30-minute chart from time to time when you're extremely confident. And now let's take a look at the 8 wave, because that's my final condition to go long. So on 88 wave, we finished the triangle down here, the E wave of X, and we started an A wave up. And now we're in the process of accomplishing wave B. The A wave subdivided into 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with wave 1 being a leading diagonal, which is a little hard to count. And the rest is more simple. The 3rd wave is more simple, and the 5th wave is also more simple. I've checked, the 3rd wave is not the smallest of the 3 waves, which cannot be the case, but I have checked. And then once the A wave was accomplished, we had an ABC down for the B wave. It was quite hard to tell precisely when it was over. I thought that this could actually already be a 5th wave, this level. But finally, I've decided that it is not, because the correction, if I zoom in a little, now if I zoom in a little, this from here does not look very impulsive. And once we had the wave 4 top, we went down. So, and right now we are going down. So I think that we still have one more low to go, to make below 39,279. And once that is done, it might be over, the correction might be over, and we could be accomplishing wave C of D, and that's a triangle. So if you want to see the triangle, I'll show it to my private clients. If they ask me, I'll put it in the, I send it to them directly, or I put it into my private channel and show them the weekly chart. But I never show the weekly chart on my interventions. I only go to the 1 hour chart or the 4 hour chart, but I don't go up to the 1 week chart. So if you want to see the triangle, you have to be a private client of mine. Now, that's all I want to talk about today. So I think I've done it in 15 minutes, which was my objective. And if I manage, I'll do one more intervention tomorrow. So, and we will talk about something else, maybe the S&P or another, or gold or another crypto, or I could talk about crude oil, but right now it's quite complicated situation on crude oil, so I'm not sure I'm going to talk about that. I could, but why make it difficult and choose something where there is some hesitation right now and you are not sure about, that you are less confident in the count. Anyways, become a member of my free Telegram group. It's free. And if you have any questions or need anything, any help, then let me know. I'll do my best to answer them. See you soon. Bye-bye.